Dogecoin value equivalent to 1.4203 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1.4121 1.4410. The earlier day close, 1.4387. The change was 0.0184, 1.28%. Converse rate, ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, May 29, cost 1.45 rands, high 1.55, low 1.35. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, May 30, cost 1.50 rands, high 1.61, low 1.40. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, May 31, cost 1.51 rands, high 1.62, low 1.40. Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, June 1, cost 1.46 rands, high 1.56, low 1.36. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, June 2, cost 1.45 rands, high 1.55, low 1.35. In multi-week Dogecoin gauge on Monday, June 5, cost 1.47 rands, high 1.57, low 1.37. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, June 6, cost 1.45 rands, high 1.55, low 1.35. Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, June 7, cost 1.47 rands, high 1.57, low 1.37. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, June 8, cost 1.47 rands, high 1.57, low 1.37. Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, June 9, cost 1.42 rands, high 1.52, low 1.32. In about 14 days Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, June 12, cost 1.47 rands, high 1.57, low 1.37. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, June 13, cost 1.51 rands, high 1.62, low 1.40. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, June 14, cost 1.53 rands, high 1.64, low 1.42. Dogecoin conjecture on Thursday, June 15, cost 1.56 rands, high 1.67, low 1.45. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, June 16, cost 1.54 rands, high 1.65, low 1.43. In 3 weeks Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, June 19, cost 1.56 rands, high 1.67, low 1.45. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, June 20, cost 1.54 rands, high 1.65, low 1.43. Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, June 21, cost 1.52 rands, high 1.63, low 1.41. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, June 22, cost 1.54 rands, high 1.65, low 1.43. Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, June 23, cost 1.47 rands, high 1.57, low 1.37. In about a month Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, June 26, cost 1.46 rands, high 1.56, low 1.36. Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, June 27, cost 1.39 rands, high 1.49, low 1.29. Dogecoin value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.45 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.62, while low cost 1.25. The found the middle value of cost 1.46. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.51, change for May 4.1%. Dogecoin estimate for June 2023. To start with cost at 1.51 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.71, while low cost 1.29. The found the middle value of cost 1.53. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.60, change for June 6.0%. Dogecoin cost expectation for July 2023. To start with cost at 1.60 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.82, while low cost 1.58. The found the middle value of cost 1.68. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.70, change for July 6.2%. Dogecoin estimate for August 2023. To start with cost at 1.70 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.70, while low cost 1.47. The found the middle value of cost 1.61. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.58, change for August 7.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for September 2023. To start with cost at 1.58 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.58, while low cost 1.32. The found the middle value of cost 1.48. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.42, change for September 10.1%. Dogecoin figure for October 2023. Initially cost at 1.42 rands, excessive cost 1.77, while low cost 1.42. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.57. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.65, change for October 16.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for November 2023. Initially cost at 1.65 rands, excessive cost 1.65, while low cost 1.29. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.50. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.39, change for November 15.8%. Dogecoin figure for December 2023. Initially cost at 1.39 rands, excessive cost 1.39, while low cost 1.09. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.26. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.17, change for December 15.8%. Dogecoin cost expectation for January 2024. Initially cost at 1.17 rands, excessive cost 1.46, while low cost 1.17. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.29. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.36, change for January 16.2%. Dogecoin conjecture for February 2024. At the outset cost at 1.36 rands, excessive cost 1.55, while low cost 1.35. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.43. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.45, change for February 6.6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for WAC 2024. At the outset cost at 1.45 rands, excessive cost 1.45, while low cost 1.26. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.38. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.35, change for spring 6.9%. Dogecoin conjecture for April 2024. At the outset cost at 1.35 rands, excessive cost 1.51, while low cost 1.31. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.40. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.41, change for April 4.4%. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2024. First and foremost cost at 1.41 rands, exorbitant cost 1.41, while low cost 1.10. Found the middle value of cost 1.28. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.18. Change for May 16.3% ZAR to Doge conversion scale equivalent to 0.7041 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.6940 minus 0.7082. Change for now plus 0.0090 plus 1.29%. ZAR to Doge cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Rand to Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, May 29, cost 0.690 coins. High